What's going on, guys? Today I got another video, so I'll be doing this 203 Toyota Avalon that I'll be working on. So if you can look at it, the car looks beautiful, right? But I'm going to show you guys where the dent is, so in this lockdown period I'm just trying to make some money. So let me show you guys what's actually wrong with this car, and I'll show you guys how we're going to fix it. Got damage. I mean, it got into a wreck. So that was the damage. So we're gonna be doing this morning the bumper right there. I'll be fixing the bumper, because the owner doesn't want to buy another one. So I'm gonna put some bundle on it, try to glue them back together, see what I can do. Why the body, I have to pull it out. I mean, I don't have a pulling machine, but I have chains, so I'm going to try with some chains. So guys, as you can see, that's only what I'm going to be working on this Avalon. So guys, just follow me as I show you how I do this. This is a DIY. I do it in my garage, in my driveway. This is what I do. So you guys just follow me. I'm not auto body shop, but I just try, make some money for this lockdown. Just follow me, guys. So guys, in order for me to actually pull this dent out, right, so all I have to do, I have to take the bumper out. So the bumper, I'm going to be taking it out. So that's my setup. This is my setup to actually pull this car, right? I have this 10-ton pull back ram. I have this, and I have the hydraulic pump as well, and I have some chain. So let me just show you my setup, right? See, this is my setup. So now I'll be pumping the hydraulic pump, and hopefully this should pull. All right, you guys just follow me as I do this. But if you think I'm doing something stupid, just leave a comment behind, please. Just drop a comment. I'll be doing this. It's actually pulling right now. I'll just keep going. It's gonna be slow, but no, there's just gonna be minor setup, but you gotta be patient to do it. So as you can see, it's actually pulling. All right, guys, just follow me, just watch as I'm doing it. You can also do this also in your drive. So guys, you can see as I'm pulling, it's actually pulling in, but I'm gonna fix all that with a bundle anyway. So you can see I have it covered a little bit. So now I just gotta pull more. I'm still pulling more, and also I'm gonna come to the back right here, and I'll try to pull it from here. So you guys just follow me. It's actually coming out great. It's coming out great. Guys, please subscribe to this channel. I'm just doing this for you guys so you can learn, you can see what I'm using. So what I'm using, that's a 10-ton pullback ram, and I have an hydraulic pump all as well. And I'm using on some chain, and the dolly I have in my backyard. That says no special tools I'm using. Guys, don't mind me, the picture quality might be bad. After pulling, and I beat out some of the dent out, now I have to apply a body filling. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. Put some body filling on some of the dents. I'll for y'all. I'm trying to put some body filling on some of the dents, so that's how you do it. I just filled it up. So now I'm just gonna let the body filler dry up. Then after that, I'm gonna sand it. All right. That's how the body filler on it. Now I'm about to put a primer. I've sanded the body filling, right? Now I'm applying primer to it. The primer, I bought this for about $10. That's the primer. I bought it for about $10. I'm just gonna put it on it. So, and after that, I'll be able to sand it down again. Guys, after I pulled it, I push it, and I did some body filling, and after some sanding, right, my result now is kind of, I'm not gonna say it's 100%, but I can tell you what I've done here, right here. I'll probably give it 80%. That I pulled it out and I pushed it out and I I put some body filler on it. So let me just show you guys. Now I just primed it. I just have to sand down the primer where I put it on. So you can see this whole side was pushed in before, right? But I pulled it out. And I also pushed it from the trunk as well. While from here was all the way in, I pushed it out, I pulled it out all as well. So actually I've done a great job right here. I mean, the owner of this vehicle should actually be impressed of what I've done on this vehicle, right? But I'll just show you guys what I've done from here down to here. I'm not gonna say it's 100% like I said earlier, but I'll give it 80%. I did a great job right here. So this is what I do, you know, in this lockdown, just trying to, you know, make some income. So guys, as you can see, it's super neat, it's super clean. There's no more dent on it, it's accurate. All I just have to do just to clean it, you know, I'm gonna clean it, make sure, you know, it's well clean, and I'm not painting because the owner of this vehicle decided not to paint. He said he doesn't have the money to paint it, so I'm just gonna put the bumper back on it. So, and the back bumper, I'm gonna put it back on it, and that should be it. That should be done. So right now I just make for all this job, I just make $700. All right, guys. So you can, if I can do it, my driver, you can do it too. So you can see, all this was pushed in. There was dent. There was everywhere. Now I feel no bumps. I did a good job on this. So I'm gonna show you guys when I put the bumpers on, right? So just stay tuned. So guys, the job is done now. You can see I put the bumper back on. From where I started from, if you actually follow the video, you get all the way in, right? All the way in. I pulled it out, and I put some bundles on it. I mean, some body fillers on it. So I've actually done a great job. On this job, I didn't paint it because the owner of the vehicle doesn't want to paint it, right? So I didn't paint it. So I'm going to zoom to it so you can see close to it. See very close. This is what I got for you for today. Hopefully I got another video for tomorrow. So please kindly consider to subscribe.